Hello YouTube fam, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to New York City first nor'easter for 2022. So today is January 29th, 2022. So let me show you what the yard looks like and outside. So we got about 12 inches of snow, 12 to 14 inches. Gotta clean the driveway. So the garage, the front of the yard. Days like this I miss my son to help me. He's enjoying that sunny Florida weather. I know it's a little cold down there, about 40 degrees down in Miami. This is what it is. I guess my neighbor helped me with some cleaning of the snow with his snow blower. So I just got to clean the yard. Yeah, this is going to be a challenge to get the car out of here. We didn't put the car in the garage because it would take us forever to clean this driveway, so we just leave the car outside. So days like this, I wish I was in Florida. I wish I could pack up right now and head out to Florida. Days like this. But the time is coming very shortly. Alright guys, so here's my contribution to the snow cleanup. Let me turn this camera around so you guys can see. Alright, so here's my little contribution for cleaning up the snow. I guess the other half you'll have to wait until tomorrow. So it's Caitlin and Mom in there. It's all done. Clean up. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. I would have died cleaning the snow. Car is semi-clean. This is going to take maybe a month to clean and melt away. So that's it. Bring the garbage bin forward because we can't get to the back as yet. I'll try to start cleaning, making walkway towards the garage tomorrow. So my YouTube fam, that's my contribution to this New York City nor'easter in January 2022. I'll see you guys on the next vlog.